Hi, it's Charlie. Welcome to Southern California, and this is the main track that goes between San Diego and Los Angeles, and it's in this area that the weather has done damage. As you can see, all the construction equipment is here as they're trying to repair the bed. We've had some landslides here as a result of the torrential rains they had in the fall, and they're putting in additional riprap here to support the bed on the shore side. So the track apparently moved 28 inches over a period of time, and they're making a massive effort to get it back on in line. The trains will run from San Clemente north and then from Oceanside south. So, you know, this is where the effort is, and they're pulling out all the strings to try and get it back in line. So let's go and look for this train.
Empty. On board the little free trolley, and in comes a surfliner, so unexpected. We had no idea that it was coming into town. We're having dinner here at San Juan Capistrano. There's a nice restaurant in the station, and surprise of surprise, in comes the surfliner. No idea where it's come from or where it's going. Well, we're back in San Clemente, and you know, here is the Surfliner or Metrolinx train heading north back towards LA. It seems to run at the weekends. At this point in time, I'm not really sure how far north it's going, and we haven't been able to find a schedule for it, but it is a surprise, and we'll look into seeing if we can board it from San Clemente and take it as far as we can go, and we'll get back to you.
Well, it seems that they've re-established the connection between here and San Bernidino on the weekends only. So we might just get a ticket for that tomorrow. As I said, there's been a lot of confusion here with the train repairs or track repairs, and we weren't quite sure when the train was running, if it was running, but it seems to be running at the weekends now. That's terrific. Hope you enjoyed that. Well, it's been just over an hour since it passed, and you know, it might stop at the station down there by the pier. Yeah, it looks as if it stopped there, and I suspect it will go all the way back. Welcome to sunny Oceanside, Southern California. We're waiting on the Amtrack Surfliner that's going to take us down to San Diego, and it's about to pull in any minute now. So let's just get ready to check this train out and then board it.
Alright, Dad, where are we headed?
Well, today we're headed to San Diego. We're presently at Oceanside Transit Station as a result of track repairs north of here up at San Clemente. We had to get an Uber down here so that we could board the coastal highway train down to San Diego. So it's coming shortly, and then we'll get on board. We'll see you then.
Open door upstairs. Downstairs section for seniors physically challenged or anyone that requires assistance.
Amtrak provide a bus service, as you can see back there, to bridge the gap where the track's been disrupted for repairs.
Oh, wow. Yeah, let's get a table.
Wheels are sort of silent running, plus the rail is continuous. In years gone by, you'd get clickety click, clickety click, clickety click. That was the wheels going over the rail joints. Now they're all welded and there's no joints. It's a continuous.
So when we went on that overnight train, because it was totally clickety click.
Yeah, it was loud.
Well, welcome to Old Town San Diego. That was a great trip, lots of free goodies as you saw, and now moving on to a new adventure as the Surfliner pulls out and from this quaint little station here in Old Town San Diego. The train moves on to San Diego downtown by the harbour where the convention centre is for Comic-Con. And you can see all the naval ships on the other side of the bay.
We're on the wrong track, Steve. I know. Could you put your hand up?
I didn't know it blinked at lights.
Okay, we've got to go to the other end. Honestly, we've got to go to the other end.
These two are the best though out of the nuts, yeah. Oh, those are dangerous. But these ones are also.
I hope you enjoyed the video of the Amtrack Pacific Surfliner that passes through here in San Clemente, and you got enough information about it to generate interest in buying a ticket next time you're in the area. So we'll see you next time at Partickhill Station. Bye for now.